This is John with Cruising Addicts. We visited John Watling's Distillery while on a city tour of Nassau Shore Excursion through Viator while sailing on a Bahamas cruise. Sit back, enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.
Scrolling through my screen, searching for a dream. Found a channel that's got me hooked on the scene. Cruising addicts taking me on a ride. From ship to ship, they're the experts, they're the guide. Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
John Watling's Distillery is situated on the picturesque Buena Vista Estate. This grand estate, located on Delancey Street, dates back to 1789 and is considered one of Nassau's historic treasures. The distillery not only preserves but also celebrates the deep heritage and architecture of this beautiful colonial estate. Upon visiting John Watling's Distillery, one is immediately drawn into the artisanal process of rum making that has been fine-tuned over centuries in the Caribbean. The distillery prides itself on using traditional English methods, combining these age-old techniques with a modern touch. They ferment their carefully selected sugarcane, distill the mash into copper pots, and finally age the liquid in white oak barrels, which imparts depth, color, and character to the rum. John Watling's offers a variety of premium rums that cater to a range of palates. This includes pale rum. This is a light, smooth rum aged for up to 2 years in oak barrels, suitable for cocktails and enjoying neat. An amber rum, aged for up to 3 years, this rum has a richer, fuller body which hints of toasted wood. And Buena Vista rum, crafted in commemoration of the estate itself. This rum is aged for 5 years and showcases a complex blend of flavors. Visitors to John Watling's Distillery can enjoy comprehensive tours that provide insight into the meticulous process of rum production. The tour guides share fascinating stories about the estate's history, the legacy of John Watling, and the evolution of rum making in the Bahamas. Additionally, the tour concludes with a visit to the Red Turtle Tavern, where guests can sample various spirits produced right at the distillery. Whether you're a history buff, a rum aficionado, or simply looking for a unique travel experience, John Watling's Distillery in Nassau promises an unforgettable visit replete with authentic Bahamian spirit. If you would like to tour the John Watling Distillery, book the City Tour of Nassau Shore Excursion. We have included a link in the description below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing.